Figma just rolled out its biggest updates yet, making it more powerful than ever. In this video, I'll walk you through all the exciting new features and show you how to use them in your designs. First up is Figma Grid, which solves one of the biggest headaches we've all faced: responsive layouts. Figma has cleverly added Grid as a new auto layout option, so now you can create and manage beautiful galleries and bento layouts without all the usual headaches. I know, that's amazing. It just works like CSS grids, and it'll save us so much time when it comes to creating responsive layouts. The next big thing on our list is Figma Sites. And trust me, this is a total game changer for web designers. They've created an immersive all-in-one tool where you can seamlessly design, prototype, and publish websites directly from Figma without switching between multiple applications. What you'll immediately appreciate is how you can simply copy and paste your existing Figma designs right into Figma Sites, eliminating the need to start from scratch with your projects. Working with your established design system? No problem. You can easily pull in your design system components and pre-built web elements as reusable blocks and assets throughout your site. Responsive design is handled beautifully as well with built-in breakpoints, ensuring your layouts, text, and components automatically adapt to different screen sizes without extra effort. When it comes to bringing your sites to life, adding interactions has never been simpler. Well-known effects like marquee animations and scroll parallax are now just a few clicks away. Moving on to our third exciting addition, Figma Make, which honestly feels like design from the future has arrived today. With this innovative tool, you can start with any design concept and then use natural language prompts to rapidly transform it into a fully functional prototype in record time. The process couldn't be more straightforward. Just type what functionality you want and it will intelligently generate a high-fidelity prototype backed by real production-ready code. When you need to fine-tune the details, it lets you directly edit every aspect of the AI output, from replacing images and adjusting spacing to modifying the underlying code if needed. And once everything looks and works perfectly, you can instantly publish your creation as a live web app with a single click. The next feature on our list is Figma Draw, a feature that illustrators and visual designers have been asking for forever. The Figma team has completely reimagined the design experience by revamping the toolbar, layers panel, and properties panel specifically for visual expression, creating a much more intuitive environment for creative work. Vector editing has received a substantial upgrade with powerful new tools like lasso selection, shape builder, and multi-edit capabilities that make complex illustration work feel natural and effortless. One of the most requested features has finally arrived: text on a path. This means your typography is no longer constrained to straight lines, as you can now elegantly wrap text around any vector path for truly creative layouts without using any plugins. And artists will immediately fall in love with the new brushes system, which allows you to create authentic hand-drawn effects with a variety of vector brushes, or even design your own custom brushes for a signature style. And finally, let's talk about Figma Buzz, the fifth and the newest addition that solves a massive pain point for teams creating and sharing branded assets at scale. This powerful tool lets you easily copy and paste your designs directly from Figma Design and publish them as templates for your entire team to use in Buzz, ensuring brand consistency across all materials. For large-scale projects, the bulk create feature is a game changer, allowing you to import data directly from a spreadsheet to generate thousands of on-brand assets simultaneously in just a few clicks. If you're new to UI UX design and looking for a clear roadmap to kickstart your design journey this year, you can check out this video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more design tutorials. Have a beautiful day and see you soon.